नमस्कार. आज मी पुलंचं एक इंग्लिशमधून लिहिलेलं पत्र वाचणार आहे. बहुतेक हे खूप कमी जणांनी वाचलं असेल. मुक्ता मंगेश राजाध्यक्ष हिला लिहिलेलं, भाईंनी लिहिलेलं हे पत्र. माय डिअर मुक्ता, आय वॉज फोनिंग यू फॉर द लास्ट हाफ आवर टू कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट यू ऑन माय बिहाफ and on behalf of my better half also. But no connection yaar. So I said, Maro goli to this telephone and write letter. First class in MA is no joke yaar. I never got it. To tell you privately, all the bundle professors yaar, except your bhai who is responsible for my great English. And I must not forget my Joshi master also, your next door neighbor, for my mastery upon English. He taught us pure English with the help of Mr. Marmedi and Wirker's English into Marathi dictionary. Pure English like pure desi ghee, you know. So, first, congratulations from the bottom of my heart. Many people must have congratulated you from their bottoms also. Of course, I know that I cannot write high English like you, Radha and Niranjan also. High English has always been a big stone in my way. Big stone means dhond, not capital D. Capital D wala dhond is your neighbor. Give my regards to him. For further details about dhond, not capital, kindly refer to your bhai, who is in correcting my English composition books, increased his spectacle number. Only joke yaar, not true. So I am defrowing my letter in my own English. Excuse me for the mistakes if there are any. Someone told me that Vijaya has gone to Trichinapalli for her Mardhekar research. When is she coming back? In Pune, the spelling of back, bag, bank, bat, bad, etc. is with Y after B. So it will become byak, byag, byank, byat. Don't laugh. So, like when in Rome, like that proverb, I say, when in Pune, write as Poonawala's write. What? For further details, kindly refer to your bhai again. Unfortunately, I am indisposed, my needs. Good word, that indisposed. Put down in your notebook High English, as my late lamented professor of Sanskrit, Bhadkamkar, used to tell us in the class, which I sometimes attended if I felt bored in the college canteen. May his soul rest in peace. His Sanskrit is resting in pieces in my mind. For further details on Professor Bhadkamkar, again kindly refer to your bhai. Sorry for this referring trouble. So, congrats again and again. Now we, that is me and Sunita, are waiting for Radha's and Niranjan's first class result and your ice cream party as soon as my indisposition of the knee is over, and in the back also. Wish you a brighter and brightest future. The brightest future. Always put the before the superlative, said Joshi master. And also wish you record break career. I am sorry, double E and not double R. Career in French, German, and English, like me. Affectionately yours, Bhai.